This is lung packing. To begin, you're going to take a full deep breath in. Once you have reached your full breath, what you're going to do is you will use your jaw, your mouth, to pull in a little bit more air, to sip in, to swallow down into your lungs. It looks a little something like this. Full breath. Everyone sips at a different rate. Some people are only able to sip 3-4 breaths at a time. Other people will be able to sip many small little bite-sized pieces of air. It's not important how many you do. What's important is that you are getting a full breath in. What you don't want to do is to pack so much air in that it is painful or uncomfortable. This should be nothing more than a moderate stretch through low back around to the diaphragm, and with your rib cage being completely filled.